See ya.
Guess where we're going? We're gonna go pick up Blue Belle from the electrician. So at the electrician, they hooked up our solar panels that we had put on the top, and they hooked it up to a big battery and other stuff. So now we have outlets in the bus. We can charge our laptops, we can charge our diesel heater and have heat during the cold winters. All of the good stuff. We can have power for our stove and our cooktop. So we're really excited. And now it's down to the wire where we get to put in the rest of the walls, put in the ceiling, put in the cabinets, the bed, and all the finishing touches. And then we'll be on the road.
So we are doing a little troubleshooting right now. So basically everything is kind of rigged to be installed. Yeah, you've got your light switch over here. You've got all of your light connections right here. The solar panels and all the solar panels charged everything.
Awesome. The box looks great.
Thank you.
Otherwise, I mean, this is running off of the inverter right now. All of the outlets are powered right now. They all have the green lights ready to go.
Because the original one I bought was way too small.
Oh, really?
And so I was like, well, I might as well get the bigger one just in case I did the math wrong.
So this fan back here runs all the time when the inverter's on, just to have airflow across
Keep it
this.
cool.
Yeah, across this cavity right here. You got ventilation here and here. Kind of allow for cross flow.
We will have our fridge about right here, though. Would that be an issue?
No, that's fine. This is your battery monitor. It goes up to this thing here. This is your main disconnect here, and then this is your main for your alternating current. So anything that comes from here,
So like all these guys?
yep, all those guys will go through here into here. From here, here's all your breakers over here, and then this is all of your fuses for your DC stuff.
Awesome. And is this top one, so what does this one turn on?
So we use this for your water pump switch. These are your case grounds here. This is your negative bus. We connected it to the case ground, and all that goes into the frame.
Gotcha.
So if anything shorts onto the frame, they'll just go back to here. Yeah, that's reading the charge of your battery. This will also tell it to you. It's a little more exact if you can read it. We plumbed these walls out for you, so they're perfectly up and down.
Okay.
So you can just go ahead and attach another piece of plywood to that, however you want to do it.
We also, I think y'all might have had roofing screws in this top front one.
We did, yeah.
Okay, so we actually replaced those with bolts and nuts and everything.
Awesome.
So.
Oh yeah, see.
Oh yeah, those look nice.
Look a lot better.
So we just direct connected it.
Okay,
we were trying to use
awesome.
the case ground, but obviously that doesn't work. Yeah, I charged most of your batteries from shore power, so that all works. We took it outside, we turned the solar panels on, those all work.
You have all of your booklets and everything that we got.
Awesome.
And like I said, we'll actually write you like an operating manual for the electrical system of just like, you know, make sure that whenever you plug into shore power, all of your breakers are off and everything like that. So
Awesome.
you did also have a bunch of extra components along with like your
so you can return a bunch of that stuff. The wiring is open, so you can't return that, I don't think. This is what this looks like now. So we used galvanized steel there on the bottom, so it's not going to rust. We protected that with some Carflex, so it's not rubbing against the steel. We put spray foam, fire-resistant spray foam around the whole frame everywhere, so you have no more gap there. And then we laid other fiberglass insulation in there, so it's not just a void.
Cool.
And it should hold temperature pretty well.
So we did have a question. Since y'all put in this extra framing, how would y'all suggest that we mount the cabinets? Because we're going to do upper cabinets.
You could mount it directly to this if you want.
Okay.
That's up to you. With these short buses, the way that I liked to do the ceilings is I would do them what we call cathedral style. So do like a flat piece from here to here. So it's just one angle.
Unless you're planning on doing planking, but we found that it's just the easiest way to do the cathedral style. And then all of the trim and everything looks really nice. And since y'all only be using this area to do the walk space. I don't really think it's a concern for the headroom over here.
It'll make your installation of the cabinets a lot easier.
Which one would take faster?
Which would take faster?
Or B, yes.
The plywood, yeah.
It depends on the equipment that you have.
Yeah.
The planking for you guys might be easier.
Like the tongue and groove stuff?
The tongue and groove planking might be easier. For us, it would be easier to do this style because we have all the tools and everything you would need to do that. It would be very easy for us to do.
How hard was it to get the hatch out?
It was
the hatch?
fun.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Don't even say anything because I did that. It was. Y'all went hard with the Flex Seal, or someone did.
Yeah, we tried. So are these all y'all's or were they already here?
Yes, these are rivets. Yeah. So
that you guys put in?
Yes. So these rivets hold this down to.
Okay.
It looks like you riveted the fan itself onto.
Yep.
Nice. So this is this y'all's plate?
Yes, and this is aluminum. I know this looks like rust. It's not. It's just like adhesive. So the top is primed and painted, but that was just like to protect it. But
on the
it'll
inside,
never,
it's not gonna, You said one of the windows was leaking.
Oh, yes. I noticed the window leak from around right here.
Right there.
But if you'll notice, the gap gradually gets larger up here. And then from the outside, you can really tell that there's no ceiling at all. More for y'all, but I know that y'all
Now this is perfect.
Really tight timeline. I saw January 1st.
Yeah. Well, we're currently on the side of the road, broken down. And we were just driving from Mount Pleasant to, let's see, it is 6:54 p.m. on Friday, December 15th. We were driving her from Mount Pleasant from the electricians, and I heard a noise, and then it just sounded kind of like the accelerator just gave out. So I tried pressing the gas and nothing happened. And then the power steering went out and all the lights on the dash turned on. So we're waiting for a tow truck, and we're near Paris, Texas. We honestly don't know what to do right now. Alright.
See ya.
Alright, so after literally 6 hours of waiting for a tow, we finally got one. Thankfully, he's very nice. Here she goes. Okay, now what?
Oh, you're so tired.
Okay. You be safe, Blue Belle. You be safe.